Hello, I'd like to introduce you to the latest gadget and toy we have in the Soil Ecology Lab. This is an Autoevacuator produced by Matt Gervais, our senior technician in the laboratory. The Autoevacuator works by inserting a needle, and it's withdrawing, and it's going to go into another Exetainer vial here. And once it's inserted, it will flush the vial with nitrogen gas. And then towards the end of the cycle, it will pump out all that gas. And here we are measuring that with a pressure transducer. So it'll be under a vacuum. And then that's what creates the vacuum, gas pump. And then we're going to see the controller here. It's an adrenal board that Matt put together that controls everything. The robot arm, the flushing, the evacuation, and monitoring and logging what's been done and any errors that have occurred and what pressure we achieve so that we have confidence in our vials. And Matt put everything together. It's pretty remarkable. And we're going to see pretty soon here the nitrogen tanks that will be used, that are used for flushing, the Exetainer vials. It's the small tank on the left that we're using. That's a small tank because this was in Matt's house just up to a few weeks ago while he was working on it and working out the bugs and everything. So we can do more than several hundred vials at a time, actually, and not at a time, but every 12 seconds. So we're going to run it during the day, run it overnight. It is pretty solid, very solid, actually. And Matt has done an excellent job. There's the old apparatus that we use, which is a manual evacuation manifold. All those valves had to be flipped individually. We had to insert the vials at the end of each of those needles, and it was prone to errors, prone to lots of errors, actually. And this system is way more reliant and gives us much better confidence in the evacuation, so which means we don't have to worry as much about problem vials out in the field when we're collecting gas. And here is the Adreno program that Matt has put together that logs what valves are being done and the voltages that are applied by the different relays, and then determining what the logging as well, the pressure. So there we have it, the Autoevacuator system in the Soil Ecology Lab for vials, for greenhouse gas collection. Thank you very much, Matt.